2 years ago, I launched my first online course from my driveway at home. I started with the platform called Zenler. However, I went through all of the platforms to try and choose the best one for me. At the time, Kajabi was the one that everyone wanted. However, that was well out of my price range. We were starting on a shoestring. I actually started building my courses in Thinkific. However, I really didn't get on with the site builder at the time. And somehow I came across Zenler. It had the price, it had the functions, and away we went. However, 2 years on, you can see now that I'm no longer on my driveway. We have our own workshop. We have over 2,000 paying customers. And what we're really looking to do is improve that user experience. For me, Zenler just wasn't cutting it. The community was really poor. They had bugs that I thought they need fixing, but they were focusing on other things. And the app was really bad. So then we found EzyCourse and we took a massive risk. So here's the top 3 things that made me lift everyone from one platform, move them over to another. So the first thing was the mobile phone app. I had looked around at some other offers for mobile phone apps and I'm pretty sure I saw one business offering them for 5 figures. The white label mobile app at EzyCourse was much more affordable.
Shut up and take my money.
You can see here we can access all of the courses and the bundles, and I'm currently running a membership at the minute. We've got a massive, really active community, and that works well across both platforms on the app and on the website. We also had a massive issue with getting our app approved. Because we were such an established business, Apple weren't buying the "we're just a reader app" excuse. So what we needed to do if we wanted to get approval was add in-app purchases. Luckily, the team at EzyCourse were on it. They added this as an extra product, and now we can also offer in-app purchases for Apple and Android phone users. It's amazing. Now they do have their branded app on the store, so you can have the EzyCourse app and then your users just log into that to access your content. I was doing that for a number of years with Zenler. However, like I said, there were so many bugs in that app, it was difficult to kind of promote it. Some people did use it, however. The EzyCourse one is much better. But what I really recommend you do is go ahead and get the white label app. You're on the App Store then. The other thing that was really good for us was the community. So the community feature at Zenler was okay. You know, you could send messages. It was a bit buggy when you send images. You couldn't send files, and it was a bit weird when you sent links as well. So the community that I've got now actually feels like we're running our own social media site. We can also get together in group chats. People can talk with each other through private chat, and actually you can choose whether you add those features yourself or sell them as, you know, additional products. We just have it all included as part of the membership. So you can see here that you can go on there to just post text, you can upload images or videos, files, which was a massive thing for my community. We love sharing these really kind of niche files from this certain software that everyone uses, so it's really good that everyone could kind of share those. And you can even put polls on there as well, which is really good, especially if you wanted to choose maybe what videos you were going to make next or what you wanted to cover in the next live sessions. Here as well, we can directly message other people, so that will pop up on their app or on their web browser. They'll also get email notifications as well. So one of the other features that really got us across the line was the ability to sell orders to organizations. So currently, most of our sales are to individuals, so business to customer sales. However, lots of our customers have workshops where they want to train their mechanics. So before, what we'd have to do is set up a separate subscription, and I would have to enroll their mechanics individually. What EzyCourse implemented was a tiered seat system. So what they could do is, let's say they wanted 5 people, they could buy 5 seats, log in as the seat owner, and then assign those seats to their mechanics. What they could also do then was log in and check progress, and if they employed any more people, they could add extra seats. We also have the facility to administrate that from the back end, so if someone leaves, we can change the name or, you know, decide whether they need to buy an extra seat or not. So they were the 3 features that really got us over the line. They did a great job in the migration for us, rebuilt all of our website, moved all of the files over, which was a huge job. In addition to that, the support is amazing. So it is still a very new platform, and as all of these features are being really put to the test, little bugs do appear every now and then. However, when you raise it with the team, it's fixed very, very quickly. They're also really open to new features. If there's something that you think could be done better, they're happy to have a look at that and implement it if it's going to benefit everyone. They're also constantly bringing out new features. So I'm just waiting for my TV Android app to be loaded. We've also discussed some kind of AI chatbot knowledge base kind of technology. And I can't wait to get the automated payouts for my affiliates. That will just cut out a massive portion of workload. So check out EzyCourse in the link below, and if you've got any questions, just hit them up on that chat icon and I'm sure they'll be right there to help you.